here we have a Carrier YCC.
Yep.
And see it in there. Has a Copeland. Wait, what is it? Bristol, right? Bristol.
Yep, Bristol.
Bristol
you can see the tag
reset.
on this side.
See the reversing valve in there. At the back. Oh, and watch it just comes on. Your data sheets are faded. Whew. New Year's one. Hasn't been running, but we might be able to get a possibility of it getting starting up. Who knows?
The thing is, it's so cold you don't know, you can't tell whether it's been
Yeah, that's the thing with these. Well, actually, we could just feel the coil. Is it wet? Nope. I mean, it definitely has been running today, considering the melted snow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go to the upstairs. Downstairs, they have this fireplace, right? Yeah. Little Carrier unit. Yeah, if we can get a startup of it, we'll be done. I think I started recording. I felt like maybe something was going to happen. You were taking a little while, so I started recording, and you're good.
I just asked you to
Just putting on my tripod, so you know.
It would be great if it was frost.
Well, we might get it. We don't know. We'll try.
Who knows? I should have turned it to second.
Well, who cares? Getting set.
Cool. So you got the startup?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright.
Warmness. Wait, no. Isn't it interval?
Yeah, it should be.
So, wait a little bit.
It has a Bristol reciprocating compressor. So that's cool. I now have to do a full issue.
Yes. Yes. Well,
Did it sound good?
it sounded great.
Good old Bristol.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
So that's
Well,
it running in heat mode. I'm going to set up the camera. If something happens, we'll
well,
yeah.
the defrost will be back.